Guys, here's the 3 valve here. Just gonna do a quick little update here. I did get the turbo mounted. I got this T going on here. I have the line here, but it's not connected. So the L is gonna go here, and then I have an oil pressure sensor that's gonna go here. I did already have this pipe already installed. This oil drain already here too. Obviously I have that drain down there as well, and I also put in the oil filter relocation bracket. But the only thing is, this piece keeps tightening facing up no matter which direction I started in. I think it's because I put the thread, but I might just have to get 90s here to replace these here and put 90s so they go down. But we're gonna figure that out. Next thing on the list is probably to go through the exhaust manifolds and start running the piping through there. One of the studs did break on me. The top one broke on me, shaved completely off. The other one is still there, but that one is broken inside, so I have to drill that one out. Right now I'm just trying to clean up my intake. I already got the charge motion plates. Oh, I forgot to put them. I already got the charge motion plates over here, and I just gotta put the gaskets on them and slap them on there. Everything's cleaned up on these. They came out really good. That's the charge motion plate little module for on the intake. Deleted that because I don't need it anymore. All I really have left to do is just piping, hot side piping and cold side piping, but those should be a breeze because I already did everything else that needed to be done. You're also gonna need the mass airflow sensor extension since it's not gonna reach. So I think the intake would be right here. Piping goes down this way, around, down, and then I think the sensor is like right here or something like that, and the plug only goes this far. So you could splice this and extend the wires, but it's better just to get an extension so you don't got to do all that. This I gotta move back down. That's just a water temperature. There's nothing really else that I did. Just turbos mounted. Looks pretty sexy on there. Obviously, I got the covers on there. Everything's pretty loose still, so this can still move. All these are still loose, so I can rotate them. Just so I can fit everything and then tighten it. I also drilled and tapped the turbo here for the boost gauge, which I got over here too. I just need to put the line on it and run it there. And that goes to my boost gauge right here. Boost gauge. That's the air fuel ratio. That's the wideband. And the oil pressure. And these are the piping for this is driver's side, this is passenger side, and then from there this loops back to the front, and that's when it starts connecting to this guy right here. There's one more pipe that goes in between. Then we got intake, well, this intake, and that routes through here, this little guy. And then exhaust, which it does wrap around through over there, but I'm gonna loop it back into the bumper. I might take it somewhere to do a custom piping for that. I also spray painted this with that rust. I didn't do a good job because I just sprayed it from right here and it's kind of messy and stuff, but it's just because it looked ugly. There was like some rust spots, so I did that rust coating. I forgot what you call it, where they do it on the underline coating, where they put under the cars to prevent rust and stuff. It wasn't too bad here. I didn't like how it looked, so I just sprayed it real quick. And yeah, that's the quick update. Nothing really too extra here that I did. I'm probably gonna run to the store real quick and get something to clean this out. And then yeah, that's all. I just gotta get that stud out and I can start doing the hot side piping. This whole time I pretty much just been lining everything up, doing little nicks here and there, making sure this is all good and set up, making sure everything lines up before I can't get to it later. So for now, I think we're good until full video next. See ya.